So today I'm going to show you how you can use the QR code to help you sign into the new app. If you go to the delivery van here on your dashboard, then on the right hand side you can scroll down and launch the helper, select the user, and then it generates a QR code which automatically puts your florist path in and your username. It doesn't put your password in, so if you do need to reset your password so that you can log in, what you need to do is you go into settings and then you will find the relevant user in here, click edit, and then you would just update your password here and confirm it here and then save the changes, and then that will be your new password going forward to log into the app and to the dashboard.